Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of air fryers. Whether you're a cooking enthusiast or simply enjoy preparing delicious meals at home, this video is for you. Air fryers have revolutionized the way we cook, allowing us to enjoy crispy and flavorful foods with much less oil. In this episode, we'll be exploring 5 of the best air fryers available on the market right now. From compact models to multifunctional options, we've carefully selected a variety of air fryers that will suit your culinary needs and lifestyle. Additionally, we want to remind you that we've left links to all the products in the description for you to check prices or purchase them directly. So sit back, get ready to discover the unique features of each of these air fryers, and join us on this exciting culinary journey. Product 1. Ninja Air Fryer AF101. Let's kick off our exploration with the impressive Ninja Air Fryer AF101. This air fryer isn't just a kitchen tool, it's your companion for creating delicious and healthy meals at home. With a 4-quart non-stick basket, the Ninja AF101 offers you ample space to prepare a variety of foods, from crispy French fries to juicy chicken fillets. What sets it apart is its air circulation technology, allowing you to enjoy those crispy flavors and textures you love with just a fraction of the oil needed in traditional frying. With the Ninja AF101, you can delight your family with delicious and nutritious dishes without sacrificing flavor or texture. Moreover, its intuitive design includes an easy-to-use control panel that lets you select from various cooking settings, including frying, roasting, baking, and reheating. It's like having a personal chef in your kitchen. Whether you're whipping up a quick weekday dinner or enjoying a special meal on the weekend, the Ninja Air Fryer AF101 offers you versatility, convenience, and delicious results with every use. So, let yourself be amazed by all that you can achieve with this incredible air fryer in your kitchen. Product 2. COSORI Air Fryer Turbo Blaze. Next up, let's dive into the world of the COSORI Air Fryer Turbo Blaze. This sleek and compact air fryer is designed to fit seamlessly into any kitchen, regardless of size. With a generous 5.8-quart capacity, you'll have ample space to whip up delicious meals for the whole family. What sets this air fryer apart is its incredible versatility. With 11 preset programs, from crispy French fries to juicy roasted chicken thighs, this fryer simplifies the cooking process and allows you to explore a wide variety of recipes at the touch of a button. Plus, its rapid preheating feature gets you cooking in minutes, saving you time and energy in the kitchen. But that's not all. The COSORI Air Fryer Turbo Blaze also offers an intuitive and hassle-free user experience. Its easy-to-use control panel lets you adjust temperature and cooking time with precision, while its sleek and compact design fits perfectly into any kitchen style. In summary, if you're looking for an air fryer that combines convenience, versatility, and exceptional performance, the COSORI Air Fryer Turbo Blaze is the perfect choice for you. Get ready to transform your everyday meals into extraordinary experiences with the COSORI Air Fryer Turbo Blaze. It's time to elevate your culinary skills and unlock the true potential of your kitchen. Product 3. Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6-in-1 Air Fryer. Now, let's move on to the Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6-in-1 Air Fryer. This air fryer isn't just a kitchen tool, it's a true multifunctional gem that will transform your cooking experience. With its 10-quart capacity, you'll have more than enough space to whip up delicious meals for the whole family or to entertain guests at a special gathering. What sets the Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6-in-1 apart is its incredible versatility. Craving crispy French fries? You can do it. Need to roast a juicy chicken for dinner? You can do that too. Want to dehydrate fruits to make your own healthy snacks? Yes, you can do that too. This air fryer allows you to explore a wide range of culinary options at the touch of a button. Moreover, its digital display and touch controls make it easy to use, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. Simply select your desired program, adjust the temperature and cooking time, and let the Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6-in-1 do the rest. It's like having a personal chef in your kitchen, ready to help you whip up delicious and healthy meals any time of the day. In summary, if you're looking for an air fryer that not only meets but exceeds all your expectations, the Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6-in-1 is the perfect choice. With its versatility, capacity, and ease of use, it gives you the freedom to experiment and create a wide variety of delicious dishes in the comfort of your own home. Product 4, COSORI Air Fryer with Dual Baskets. Now let's take a look at the COSORI Air Fryer with Dual Baskets. This innovative air fryer features 2 baskets that allow you to cook 2 different dishes simultaneously, saving you time and energy in the kitchen. With a total capacity of 5.8 quarts, it's perfect for preparing large meals or multiple dishes at once. But the real magic of the COSORI Air Fryer with Dual Baskets lies in its ability to offer you unmatched flexibility in your meals. Want to cook crispy chicken and French fries at the same time? You can do it. Need to fry an appetizer and bake a dessert simultaneously? You can do that too. With this air fryer, the possibilities are endless. Moreover, its smart design includes separate controls for each basket, allowing you to adjust temperature and cooking time individually based on your needs. So whether you're cooking for a crowd or just enjoying an intimate meal at home, the COSORI Air Fryer with Dual Baskets offers you the flexibility and convenience you need to create delicious and varied meals with ease. In summary, if you're looking for an air fryer that allows you to cook efficiently and with versatility, the COSORI Air Fryer with Dual Baskets is the perfect choice for you. With its innovative design and ability to cook 2 dishes at once, it helps you maximize your time in the kitchen while enjoying delicious meals with your loved ones. Product 5, COSORI Air Fryer Pro LE5QT. Now, dive into the world of culinary innovation with the COSORI Air Fryer Pro LE5QT. This air fryer is not just an appliance, it's a masterpiece of engineering that takes you on an unparalleled culinary journey. With a 5-quart capacity, this air fryer offers you the opportunity to experience the magic of modern cooking in a completely new way. Imagine preparing delicious crispy meals with up to 85% less fat than traditional frying. With hot air circulation technology, the COSORI Air Fryer Pro LE5QT allows you to cook a wide variety of dishes from golden fries to crispy chicken wings without compromising on flavor or texture. Additionally, its wide temperature range from 75 to 230 degrees Celsius gives you full control over your culinary creations, allowing you to cook each dish to perfection. But the COSORI Air Fryer Pro LE5QT is much more than just an air fryer. Its sleek and modern design seamlessly integrates into any kitchen, making it an essential piece both from a culinary and aesthetic standpoint. Plus, its intuitive and easy-to-use user interface allows you to navigate its functions with ease, even if you're new to the world of cooking. With the COSORI Air Fryer Pro LE5QT, culinary creativity knows no bounds. From classic dishes to new creations, this air fryer inspires you to explore and experiment with fresh ingredients and delicious flavors. Whether you want to prepare a feast for the whole family or simply surprise your loved ones with a special dish, with the COSORI Air Fryer Pro LE5QT, every meal becomes a unique and memorable culinary experience. In summary, if you're looking for an air fryer that elevates your culinary skills and takes you to new heights in the kitchen, look no further. The COSORI Air Fryer Pro LE5QT is the perfect choice for food lovers seeking quality, innovation, and versatility in every dish they prepare. Congratulations! You've just embarked on an exhilarating culinary journey, exploring the world of air fryers and discovering the endless possibilities they offer. From the innovative Ninja Air Fryer to the versatile COSORI Air Fryer with Dual Baskets, each product showcased today represents a gateway to healthier, more flavorful cooking experiences. But the adventure doesn't end here. Join us on our channel for even more exciting content, where we dive deeper into the world of kitchen gadgets, cooking tips, and mouth-watering recipes. By subscribing to our channel, you'll unlock a treasure trove of culinary inspiration and become part of a vibrant community of food enthusiasts. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and join us on this epic culinary adventure. Together, we'll uncover new flavors, master new techniques, and elevate our cooking to new heights. Don't miss out on the excitement. Subscribe now and let's cook up something amazing together. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy cooking.